Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're talking about converting from slope-intercept form to standard form. Just a reminder, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. It's because we have our slope and our intercept. Our standard form is ax plus by equals c. You're going to want to write that in your notebook if you have not already. The deal with standard form is no fractions. No fractions when we have it in standard form. And generally, you want your a to be positive. A should be positive. Okay, so here we have on example number 1, y equals 7x minus 3. So the first thing we want to do is get our x and our y on the same side. So I need to minus this x over here. Minus 7x minus 7x. When I do that, I get, and now I can't combine y and minus 7x because those are not like terms. So what I have is, and I could say y minus 7x, but you'll notice that I want to put my x term in the front. So I'm going to say negative 7x, and because y is positive, we're going to say plus y equals negative 3. Notice I brought down that negative. Don't forget about that negative sign. Now, generally, you don't want to have a negative in the front when you have standard form. So what we should do is divide each of these by a negative 1, and all that does is change our sign. So now we have positive 7x minus y equals positive 3, and we've gone from slope-intercept form to standard form. All right, fractions. What happens when we have a fraction? If you have a fraction in your slope-intercept form equation, we definitely have to deal with that. So what we want to do is multiply each of our chunks here by what that denominator is. You'll see our denominator is 6. So we're going to multiply everything in here by 6. We're going to multiply the y. We're going to multiply the 5/6, and we're going to multiply that 6 over there. So 6 times y will give me 6y. Now 6 times 5 over 6, a little bit of side work here. 6 over 1 times 5 over 6. These cross cancel, and I'm left with 5. Or you could do 30 over 6, which reduces down and divides down to 5. So this is 5x plus 6 times 6 is going to give me 36. Okay, now to get that guy into slope-intercept form, we're going to want to into standard form, slope-intercept. Yeah, I'm all over the place today. To get this guy into standard form, we want to minus 5x from both sides because we want our x and our y's on one side. So we have negative 5x plus 6y equals 36. Now, again, this is close to standard form, but we don't want to have a negative in front and for our a. So we're going to divide everything by a negative 1. And when we do that, we get 5x minus 6y equals negative 36. So we have gone from slope-intercept form into our standard form. Good luck, and we will see you next time.